What is up, YouTube? Solojay back with another video, and today, as y'all can't see by the title and the thumbnail, today we do have a nice little video. We got a nice little sponsorship, so shout out to Fioboc. As y'all can say, as we can see, as y'all know, that this is a premium style plus technical clothing. So they come with a whole lot of different type of pieces. I'm about to show y'all the screen recording. They come with a whole lot of this is not even streetwear. This is my first time doing athletic wear, so they got a lot of sports apparels, comfortable apparel. They got all different type of stuff. So they sent me a nice little jacket, you know, fall season coming up, and they sent me some nice little gray sweats that I'm about to showcase for y'all as well too. So this is Fioboc. All their links will be down in the description down below, and we about to go ahead and hop straight into this video. So without further ado, make sure you like the video, follow me on imsolojay on Instagram, and let's go ahead and hop straight into this video. Let's do it. Oh, it is hot as hell outside, as y'all don't know. So I'm about to go ahead and get this nah, I'm gonna wait. I ain't gonna get the thumbnail now, but the first ones we do have right now, the first one that we got right now is some gray sweats. As y'all can see, I got a large in both pieces. They is large. So without further ado, I'm about to show y'all what it look like right here. This is what they look like. This is the front. This is the back. They got little beige, like little drawstring straps. I said I was gonna cut the bottom of them just to make them look like, you know, a little bit, you know, smoother, but they are, I can make them short, and I can also make them into like some baggy, so y'all gonna be able to see that. I don't have on the fit right now. I got on some, you know, we go Bravis. Shout out to Bravis too though, but it's not no sponsorship Bravis. But yeah, I just went very life comfortable today, you feel what I'm saying? And yeah, I got a large in it. I'm about to go ahead and put these on just so y'all can see what they look like on body. And yeah, let's go ahead and do that that little showcase too. Next, we do have the second piece that they sent to us as well. This is also a large, as y'all can see. This is a zip up large, and yeah, we better go ahead and see what they look like as well too. How both pieces look. They look hard, as y'all can't see, but it's a nice little turtleneck. You feel what I'm saying? So if I ever want to train or work out, or, you know, in the wintertime with gunning and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? We gonna I'll make sure we set that up when we do that. But yeah, I got this in a large as well too. If I want to do a zip up, I could do a zip up. If I want to make it to where like the collar isn't, you know, like this, I can also make sure that it's like that. You could do both if you want to. Doesn't matter how you do it, how you style it. It'll also come out. It'll come out. You know what I'm saying? So the collar could come out like this if you want to. But if you don't want it and you want to go turtleneck, you can put it into a turtleneck as well too, for the people that, you know, that like that type of style as well. So to me personally, if I'm training, I feel like I'll go, you know, turtleneck. But if I'm finna go like on some casual wear, streetwear wear, whatever, I'm gonna fold the collar and we just go, you feel me, the regular way like that. And plus it's a zip up, so even if you don't want to zip it all the way up, you can zip it all the way down. The zippers are nice as well, they're quality, so you can never go wrong with that as well. So without further ado, you see what I'm saying? This is Fioboc. Y'all can also join. So their Instagram is FIOBOC_official. TikTok, same thing. Facebook is FIOBOCC clothing. And then their YouTube is FIOBOC. So y'all can also scan this QR code. That QR code will also be able to make sure that you guys get all points and unlock rewards when y'all join the Fioboc club. And then yeah, everything is, you know, everything is there. They got their logo present on here as well too. They got the care instructions. So what you want to do is you do not bleach, tumble dry low. Also make sure that the machine is on wash cold. I never really usually have a problem with, you know, where I get certain pieces from, but they have the where that you can contact them, their address and all that different type of stuff like that. So y'all make sure y'all go ahead and take care of y'all pieces when y'all do get them. And yeah, that's basically it. Y'all will be able to use a code down in the description down below. So the code will not be in this video, it will be down in the description. Make sure y'all use that code to get y'all % off and everything else like that as well too. So this is Fioboc. I mess with these. I'm about to go ahead and give y'all the showcase and see what they look like on body and everything else like that. So yeah, y'all make sure to like the video, subscribe if y'all are new. And it is Solojay, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.